everyone. The cost in dollars of producing X yards of a certain fabric is given by this equation. And we're going to find the marginal cost of the function. That's when we take the derivative. And then we're going to find f prime of 200 and explain its meaning and what does it predict. Because this way is a lot easier to find the 201st yard of fabric than what we're going to have to do with C. And we're going to compare them. So let's get started. We're going to take, this is a cube, by the way, little typo. So C prime, we go from there and go to C prime of X equals, let's see, 12 minus 0.2x plus 0.0015 x squared, and that's dollars per yard. Now we want to evaluate this at C prime 200 and explain its meaning. So we're going to do C prime of 200. So we take this equation, so that's going to be 12 minus 0.2 times 200 plus 0.0015 200 squared. That's going to give you $32 per yard. So that's what that is. Now explain its meaning and what does it predict? Okay, this is the rate at which costs are increasing with respect to production level when X equals 200. So this is the rate at which the costs are increasing with respect to production level. So C prime 200 predicts the cost of producing the 201st yard, so the next yard. Okay, now we're going to do it the long way, what you can do. And that's by subtracting. So what we're going to do is take the cost of producing the 201st yard of fabric is going to be C 201 minus C of 200. So you fill this in here. And this is a 3, by the way. All right, so let's fill that in, and we're going to get C of 200 equals 1200 plus 12 times 201 minus, this should be, we're going to subtract, this should be 201 minus 0.1 times 201 squared plus 0.0005 times 201 cubed. So it's this minus C of 200. So if you do C of 200, you fill that in. You can see how this takes a lot longer. So you fill this in and put 200 instead. 1200 plus 12 times 200 minus 0.1 times 200 squared plus 0.0005 200 cube. And this is going to give you the green part. It's going to give you 3,632.2005 minus, and the red part gives you 3,600. And that's approximately 32.2 $32.20, which is approximately our C prime of 200. So you can see doing it this way is a lot easier than doing it the way we just did it. It's an approximate value, but it works. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.